What's up, car lovers? Ever wondered how some people squeeze 300,000 miles or more out of their cars, while others barely make it past 150,000 before it all falls apart? Well, today, I'm giving you the 3 secrets to making your car last well past that 300,000 mile mark, even after the warranty's long gone. First up, and this is something most car manufacturers won't tell you, there's no such thing as lifetime transmission fluid. Yeah, I know what it says in your manual. But trust me on this one, I've seen enough transmission failures to know better. Here's the real deal. If you've got a manual transmission, change that fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Driving an automatic, you're looking at 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Now, if you're rolling with one of those fancy CVTs, every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, no exceptions. And for those dual clutch transmissions, every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Look, I get it. Transmission fluid changes aren't cheap, but you know what's really expensive. A new transmission. I've seen too many people learn this lesson the hard way, and I don't want you to be one of them. Secret number 2, this one's crucial. Consistent engine oil changes. Now I know what you're thinking, but my car's manual says I can go 10,000 miles between changes. Sure, synthetic oils have improved over the years, and yes, I'm using air quotes here. But here's my professional recommendation. Change your oil every 5,000 miles or less, and for Pete's sake, please don't forget the filter. Want to know why when you cut open an oil filter at 10,000 miles? What you see in there? Well, let's just say it's not pretty. Those extra few thousand miles you're trying to squeeze out. They're killing your engine slowly but surely. Now here's secret number 3, and this is something most people completely overlook. Fuel injector maintenance. Please listen up because this is important. Use a quality fuel injector cleaner every 7,000 to 15,000 miles. Not that cheap stuff from the dollar store. Get the good stuff. Why? Because clean injectors mean better fuel atomization, which means better combustion, which means you guessed it, a healthier engine. I can't tell you how many times I've seen engine lights disappear after a good fuel system cleaning. But wait. There's one more bonus tip that could save your engine's life, and this one's especially important. For all you short trip drivers out there, your car needs at least one long trip every week. Why? It's all about engine oil temperature. Those quick trips to the grocery store. Your engine never reaches proper operating temperature, creating a nasty sludge that'll choke your engine faster than you can. That means moisture builds up in your oil. Say total engine failure. Think about it this way. Would you go for a run in freezing weather without warming up? That's exactly what you're doing to your engine with those short trips. Take your car on the highway for at least 20 minutes once a week. Trust me, your engine will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car care tips, and drop a comment with how many miles your car's got right now. Let's see who's got the highest odometer.